Welcome back to my channel. This video is for more advanced skaters working on counters, rockers, brackets, three-turns, and Choctaws. These turns and steps are commonly used in skating routines and help skaters improve power, edges, knee and ankle bend, and add variety to their warm-up sessions. If you are still a beginner skater and need more basic exercises, visit my website styleskating.com and check out my Figure Skating Foundations video course for beginner skaters. It includes over 100 videos from the very first steps on the ice to more advanced skating skills, basic spins, and single jumps. Each video features step-by-step instructions, a description of common mistakes, and ways to fix them. After completing the course, you will become a well-rounded skater and enjoy your skating even more with proper technique. Click on the link above or check the description below and sign up today. We will start today's warm-up with a three-turn and counter sequence. Begin on a left forward outside three-turn. After the three-turn, execute a left backward inside counter. Step onto the right foot and perform a right forward inside three-turn into a right backward outside counter. Next, switch your feet with cross rolls and glide on a right forward outside edge. At the top of the circle, execute a right forward outside three-turn to finish the first half circle. On the axis, continue with a right backward inside counter. Glide the next half circle on a right forward inside edge after the counter, then step onto the left foot and perform a left forward inside three-turn. Execute the three-turn at the top of the circle, glide back to the axis, and continue with a left backward outside counter. Finish with a half circle glide on a left forward outside edge. Now we are going to do the same exercise but starting on the right backward outside edge. Execute a right backward outside three-turn at the top of the circle. After the turn, glide on the right forward inside edge toward the axis and execute a right forward inside counter. Exit on the right backward inside edge, glide around the next half circle and return to the axis. Push onto the left backward inside edge, perform a left backward inside three-turn, and glide back to the axis on the left forward outside edge. Execute a left forward outside counter and complete the next circle on the left backward outside edge. Switch your legs with a push onto a backward outside edge and start again performing a left backward outside three-turn into a left forward inside counter. Then continue with a right backward inside three-turn into a right forward outside counter. During these exercises, pay attention to your patterns. Complete clean half circles. Make sure your three-turns are executed at the top of each half circle and your counters are performed on the axis. Our next series of exercises will be rockers with brackets. We'll start with a left forward outside rocker, then enter a left backward outside bracket. Step onto the right foot for a right forward inside rocker into the next circle, followed by a right backward inside bracket. Switch your feet with a cross roll and begin on the right foot. Glide on the right forward outside edge, execute a rocker on the axis. After the rocker, exit on the right backward outside edge. Bring your arms closer to your hips and rotate your upper body into the circle while keeping your hips stable to make sure you continue gliding on a controlled right backward outside edge. After that, perform a right backward outside bracket and return to the axis. Next, start on a left forward inside rocker. After the rocker, check your shoulders. Notice that your upper body turns to the outside of the circle. Then bring your arms closer to your hips and change your shoulders to face into the circle to prepare for the bracket. Now you can execute a left backward inside bracket with control and return to the axis. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. We are now moving onto backward rockers with forward brackets. Start on the backward outside edge and perform a backward outside rocker on the axis. On the top of the next circle, execute a forward outside bracket. After the bracket, return to the axis and push onto a backward inside edge to perform a backward inside rocker with a forward inside bracket. Remember to keep your back straight, head up, and arms stretched to the sides. Work through your skating knee and ankle and keep your free leg close to your skating leg during the turns. Now that we have finished the 3-turn counter, rocker, and bracket exercises, we are going to combine a counter, bracket, and Choctaw into one sequence. We will start with a left forward outside counter, followed by a left backward outside bracket. Next, perform a left forward inside to right backward outside Choctaw, then cross in front with the left foot. Switch legs and start on the right side. Execute a right forward outside counter, then a right backward outside bracket, followed by a right forward inside to left backward outside Choctaw. Finish with a cross in front into a right backward inside edge. We are continue with a right forward inside counter. Start on the right forward inside edge and execute a right forward inside counter. Continue on the right backward inside edge, then perform a right backward inside bracket at the top of the next circle, exiting on the right forward outside edge. Return to the axis and continue with the Choctaw, right forward outside to left backward inside edge. Finish the half circle on the left backward inside edge, then step onto a new circle with a right forward outside to left forward inside crossover. After the crossover, immediately begin the sequence on the left side. Perform a left forward inside counter, a left backward inside bracket, and a left forward outside to right backward inside Choctaw. Do another crossover, this time from left forward outside to right forward inside, and repeat the entire sequence. Now let's start with a backward glide onto the right backward outside edge into a counter. After the counter, start a new circle and execute right forward outside to right backward inside bracket. Step into a left forward outside edge through a Choctaw transition. Switch legs by performing a left forward outside 3-turn with a 2-foot transition and push into a left backward outside counter. Then execute a left forward outside bracket and left backward inside to right forward outside Choctaw. Continue with a right forward outside 3-turn to complete the sequence. Our last warm-up combination will start with a backward inside counter on the left foot, followed by a left forward inside bracket and then a left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw. Next, perform a Mohawk transition from right forward inside to left backward inside edge and continue with a 2-foot glide between circles. Then do a crossover from left backward outside to right backward inside edge and start the next sequence on the right foot with a right backward inside counter, right forward inside bracket, and right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. Finish with a left forward to right backward Mohawk, using a 2-foot transition after that, and start the new circle with a right backward outside to left backward inside crossover. That wraps up today's warm-up sequence. By practicing these combinations of 3 turns, counters, rockers, brackets, and Choctaws, you will improve your edge control, balance, and overall skating skills. Remember to focus on proper technique, body alignment, and smooth transitions between each element. For more detailed tutorials and personalized video on demand, consider joining my YouTube membership. Click the link above or look in the description below for more information and join today. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you next time.